Now, the other reason why I'm harping on video is because remember I told you Google's number one, YouTube's number two,
Yeah.
Facebook's number three. Well, YouTube is going to be your best friend as well.
Yes.
Because you're going to have parents like me, or you're going to have people that are just searching to learn because they want to get into global business, or they just want to learn a new language.
Yeah.
Great consideration point for you. And it's amazing SEO. If you optimize your channel correctly, and if you optimize your videos, each single one, I'm definitely sure you're going to get some good traffic to your site, and you're going to get some qualified leads. Okay. That's where you can tackle it with both, kid-centric videos, and then you could have adult videos where you're actually hitting your professional learners, right? And cool thing is, make one video, put it on YouTube. Now take that YouTube video, put it on your blog. You have a blog post and a video. Take that video, put it on social media, every single channel, including LinkedIn, because even people like me, when I click on here, right, and I'm going to click on post to see your posts, again, I'm seeing this stuff, which is great. It breaks up the monotony of LinkedIn. But at the same time, if I see a video and I start seeing, hey, I'm going to teach you how to say this in Mandarin, I'm stopping right away. It's the same thing. And hopefully this is not culturally insensitive. I don't think it is. But when we get Chinese food and we get the fortune cookie, I'm always excited to turn it over and learn the word and say it. And I'm like, hey guys, this is how you say this. It's the same kind of